Center of gravity. Let us perform an activity based on center of gravity. The material required is a glass, 2 identical forks, a toothpick, and a matchbox. Take the 2 forks and interweave the tines such that the forks are tightly held to each other. Now find the center of gravity of weaved forks by placing it on your finger. Grab the toothpick and jam it between weaved tines of the forks near the point of their center of gravity. Now take a glass and try to balance the jammed toothpick on the edge of the glass. What do we observe? It is observed that the toothpick balances the 2 forks. Now use the matchbox and light the toothpick from its free end. Will the forks fall down? No, the forks keep balancing on the tip of toothpick. Is it magic or is it physics? The secret to this science stunt lies in the understanding of the concepts of center of gravity and stability. The center of gravity of any object is the point about which an object can be balanced, as if all the masses were concentrated or gathered at this point. In other words, it's the point at which the object balances from left to right, front and back, and top and bottom. In balancing fork act, the center of gravity is directly below the spot where the toothpick rests on the edge of the glass. Looking closely, it can be noticed that the fork handles are positioned below the toothpick. This actually puts the center of gravity directly below the point where the toothpick is balanced. The balancing point is called the pivot point. In this case, the center of gravity is lying in mid-air.